is pip install opencv underscore python. Very simple. You go to this code Jupyter notebook and minimize this one, and let's escape it. Okay, let's escape this one, and I will create a new file. Let me file save all. I'll close this. Guys, after complete everything, I will share the code. All right. And if you, I will update all the code in the classroom. And if anyone is new, completely new, I will share, my admin will share to you, or else you give me your mail ID, I can share to you as well. All right. And anything. So here I mention, I'll go to Markdown, just go to Markdown. And I said, practical one is completed. That's it. File, save all. Let me close them, leave, and let's close. I'll go to here, another part, home. Same way, I create new file again. Let's work with images now. Allow, Markdown, and I mention introductions to OpenCV and image processing. This is what we're going to start this now, guys. Clear up to this, no? Okay, good. No, Devdutt, I will share you it later. So we'll last. Okay. So everyone, please install the OpenCV now. Write the code pip install OpenCV -python. Can you do this and enter code and execute this one? Are you done? Just let me know once you completed. Let me copy and I'll mention here. I think already done. Okay, yes, did. Very good. Let me use the chat window. Everyone, I can post it. Okay, cool. Done, guys, everyone. Cool. Just wait for 2 minutes. Once you're done, we can go back. Done. Just one moment. Okay. Just 1 second, guys. 1 moment, okay? Not required, restart the kernel. Just wait, because some of them are not doing. That's what I just keep myself on mute. Okay. All right, guys. So I hope it's done. And let me create a new command and we're going to start this, guys. So here, let's import all the libraries. Import NumPy as NP. And once you install not required rest of things, guys, import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. And once before that, as I said, you need to apply the matplotlib inline. This things is important. All right, matplotlib, sorry. Matplotlib inline, that's good. And what you do next is import CV2. Okay, import CV2. So once you've done the import CV2, so this is the file you're going to get. So let me know, you get any error on this part? Let me know if you get any error on this part after you do import CV2. No error. No error. Very good. No. Excellent. Okay. Just wait. Just wait, guys. 2 minutes. 2 seconds. Okay. Here we go. And let's check this. Okay. Okay, you got this error, module not found. Okay, Naga Nikhil, you need to install the library, buddy. You need to install the library. Okay. Please, you need to install the library. All right. Okay. Just wait for some time. Okay, let me work now. Let's complete the work. So you can install later as well, no problem. And I'll go back to the code now. Let's work together and complete them now. So here we go. Minimize, 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 and open it. Import CV2. Okay, once you import CV2, let's read the file. Let's read the file now. And which file we will read for this now? Okay, I'm reading another image over here. I will talk about IMG, same things. So last practical, what have you done? Install library morning retry. I will, no problem. You can install pip install in the command, or you can exclamatory pip install. You can do this as well. So these are two things you can try that, guys. It's not a big issue. And after that also you can work with Sonali clear. All right. Now image equals to what you do, image equal to, so in above code, in this code which we done here, guys, so we just image dot open, right? That's what we done. So that's what we done. If you see this below code, we open image dot open. But now what you're gonna do is image CV2, because OpenCV library we open, and the inbuilt functions we have is cv2.imread, cv2.imread. You read the image for the given locations. Let me open the locations where I can have multiple the video or images which I library installed. For this one, let me read this one, guys. Let's copy, and I will go to uh, this one, raw string, apply. And what is image file I want to read? I want to read as elephant image, ELEPHANT 1.jpg, because same file, I downloaded this file from Google as well. Just go here and you can type as Google and elephant images, just open, and you have plenty of these images you file, and you can download any images. Let's click on images, and you can download any images from here, guys, isn't it? So the same way, I to download one image, let's go back and read that. And this is what we have, image file, and this is image. Okay, but before that, I can see what is type of the image. This is numpy and nd array. This would be numpy and nd array. Image dot shape of the image is, I'm in 3D channel again, so 3 dimensions channels, and I want to plt dot I'm show, let's pass images. You execute this one. Do you see we read these images or not? That means 1,000 height, x-axis, y-axis, and 3D channels, 3 colored images, isn't it? So you can work with, you can load any images you want at least. So last practical, we work with Matplotlib, with NumPy, with imaging. And this one, we work with what, guys? Using only OpenCV. But let's see how we work. As I told you, remember, in Matplotlib, what is this color values, guys, we discuss? In Matplotlib, in Matplotlib, we see RGB, red, green, blue. But trust, when you work with OpenCV channels, R represent like this, not RGB, BGR, blue, green, red. Remember this part, guys. Team, are you clear, everyone? So Matplotlib, you have RGB, red, green, blue, and OpenCV channel, you have BGR, that means blue, green, and red. So this is what we have. So today we're going to work with BGR. So let's follow this again. I go back to the code and let me open the real image, which I downloaded. So this is what my real image. Just 1 second. I downloaded from Google and I read this image here, but see, this image and this image, both are same output or different output we got, guys? Same or different color? Did you see the graphics are changed? Why? Different, isn't it? So this is different and my output I got different. But how do I make this image like this? That's the question here. The question is, how do I make this images like this? So that's what I'm going to do. As I said, OpenCV, the channels are BGR, blue, green, red. So for that one, let's go to image. This is what image I have. And I want to fix the image equals to, I want to introduce very important library, CVT color. What exactly is this? CVT color, and whatever images I loaded, and you have CV2 dot color, one moment, color underscore BGR. So by default, what, guys? In Matplotlib, the red, green, blue channel is by default. But in OpenCV, the channels are blue, green, red. So that's why the graph, I got the graph like this. But I want to change this BGR to BGR to RGB. Team, how many of them understand what I'm saying right now? Just raise your hands. How many of them understand right now? Only 4, 7. Fantastic, everyone. Good, good, good. So because Matplotlib I got range RGB, but CV2 I got this one BGR. So what I'm doing now, I'm sorry, CV2 dot color. So we change BGR to RGB. But I want to introduce a real part. Let me go to the documentations. I'll copy this and just go to Google here, Google, and we talk about BGP OpenCV documentations. When you follow these documentations, OpenCV color space conversions, we have 150 color space given by OpenCV library. How many color space given by OpenCV library, guys? 150. 150. The moment when you say CV2 dot, you come every part BGR2. So there's two things, BGR2. If you see this, look at this, BGR2, BGRAJ. So BGR2. So we have 150 color space you can convert based on your channels changing. For example, I'll go to the code again. I'll go to this code again. I said BGR2 change. Let's fix image. Fix image. And let's execute. This is what 30, 30, 30. See, the 3 has converted to 30 now, isn't it? And the 52 is changed to 52, remaining same. So this is what's going to happen. And let me cut them up. Let me cut them up. Oops. And let's execute. We done dot shape. We have the shape 1735 3. Okay. So 1735 3. But the moment when you show this, guys, let's see plt dot I am show fix image now. And okay, see this, guys. Now are we fix my, let's open this images, guys. Both are same now or not? team both are same now. Are you understand? Pretty amazing or not, guys? Isn't it how these things work? I mean, these packages are really, really helpful. It is same now, but before it is not same. Yes, Kalyan. Because we fix it. Because we fix it. This two part, look at this color now. Look at this color. So in the first, this is not, because this is what CV2 reads. And now when we change this one by passing an argument, right? By passing an argument. All right, guys, I hope understand this part. No, in opens in Shikha, in Matplotlib it is RGB by default, but in OpenCV it's considered to BGR. So we converted here in this code. If you notice, we converted BGR to RGB and we got this output. Clear, guys. Next one. Next one. BGR to RGB also we done. And here I want to change fix image. Let's go. No. Yeah, we download from Google. That's right. Next one. I will try to let's gray colored images. I want to read that. So again, to read that CV2 dot IM read, just tab it, and we have image BGR to RGB. We also done that. Okay, guys. Now I want to read this image again. Okay, let me copy this same copy and I apply everything. Fantastic. Look at this CV2.im read and I do a comma here, CV2 dot IM read, and I want to change as GRAY grayscale images. Let's try to find out. Have we get any error? No attribute IM read. Okay. One show the last code, sir. Okay, last code. This is what, guys. Let me copy and I will share to you this code. Everyone, you can understand. Okay, this is the code. We converted BGR to RGB. You can try with the rest of the code, you will get it. Okay. Nikhil I shared, Devadatta I shared. Next part. So what I'm trying to do from the whatever the elephant images I downloaded and we read using CV2, I want to read with, okay, I think I'm getting error because IM read grayscale module has no attribute. So I think let me remove that and, oh, it's a capital letter. Did you see? IM read dot grayscale. Let's open and now execute this one. Okay, let's fantastic. Image array, guys. Now, image gray dot shape, you apply that one. And let's say image gray we have. This is all the metrics. I mean, this is all the arrays we created. And I want to see image gray dot min value. What is minimum value? 0. Channels image underscore gray dot max. What is max? 55. You know, every images is pixels ranging from 0 to 55. You won't get any, because in the class sessions I will explain more practical for this one, how to detections for tracking vehicles, how to detect for, I mean, plenty of these objects we have, guys, practicals we have, and those things we understood. Okay, so what we're gonna do next, the next one, I want to, in this code, if you see, I change another parameter, CV2 dot IM read grayscale. So what exactly happened the moment when you say PLT dot IM show, and what I'm going to do, we can have IMG underscore gray. Let's execute. Did you see now the graphs are a little changed? Did you see the graphs are a little changed or not? So what we try to do, we work with these images using CV2 now, but you can also change this. Okay, look at, follow me, copy copy it, and I want to add this now. What happened when I add the parameter CMap equal to gray? Execute this one. Okay, did you see this, guys? It's completely black and white now. It's completely black and white. And let me copy. And when I change to CMap to Magma, check this. But when you say CMap to Magma, let's copy. And when I change to CMap to green, okay, let's wait. Oh, I got bug. Why? Little scroll down, little scroll down. Okay. Did you see this, guys? Is not a valid value for CMap. What is the valid value? Let me copy. And so here, if you go to the code, so these are the valid CMaps. I think I already have this one. Just one moment. Okay. I'll mention valid CMap colors. This is all the valid CMap colors. Okay, you can find it. So Control G. Okay, you can refer to the documentations. You can refer to the documentations as well. So here I change accent. Let's copy. And anything you can, blues are anything you can try. But what I'm going to do now, I have a Magma, just one moment. So here in this code, I change to asset. Let's execute to see this. Team, are you able to understand all those things? Yes or no? How this library is very, CV2 is very important library where we play with images, we change the colors, whatever output we want, and we implement in the real time as well. And that's what we have all those things in. These are the basics is very important to understand with these images, play around it. And you change this color maps based on the error which we created. Okay. But now I want to give you some important topics. Listen to me. And this is last part of this practical. And what exactly we do right now, plt dot I am show and image. When you do this image, this is what real image I have, isn't it? This is what image we downloaded. But now I said fix underscore. Okay, this is what we have. Let's copy and I apply fix image. Let's do this. This is what images we do have as well. But let's see dot shape. What exactly shape? 1735 3. So guys, I want to let me do this. I want to resizing. How to work with the resizing of these images. Let's understand. So I create a new variable, but before that, I want to resize cv2 dot resize and fix underscore image, comma, um, what is the 50% of 1000, guys? Let's say 500, comma, what is 735 by 2? What is 735 by 2, guys? So we can say 500. I can say 735 by 2, 367. So I can say 367, right? So let me close this, comma. Yeah, I want to resize to this one. Let's see what exactly happened. But before fix images, I make a variable fix underscore image and underscore one equals to, let me execute. Let's remove it. Okay, team, understand? Now fix underscore image underscore one dot shape. Did you see, guys? We have 367 503. Guys, you understood or not? And also you can see these images with this array format. But before that, that's what we can write also a different code with uh equals to 0.5, 50%, and height ratio equals to 0.5. Okay, let's execute. Now I'm going to create a new variable fix image2 equals to cv2.resize, cv2.tab resize, and in this resize, fix image, comma, 0, comma 0. All right, that's for, height, and underscore fix underscore images. And then I pass these parameters over here, w underscore ratio and height underscore ratio. Okay. And let's execute this one. Oh, okay. W ratio y. Okay, I think the spelling is wrong. Try this. Okay, it's better, not, it's fix. Team, understand this one? I want to make my dimensions to 50% of these height, weight, and channel, 3D channel. We done this. Now let's try fix underscore image underscore 2. You got this one. This is what we got output. So that means 50% of these outputs, guys. 50% of these outputs, we make that one. Let's say plt dot I'm show and fix image 2. Fantastic. Look at this now. You got height is how much? 500. 500. And width is 367. And this is 3D channel one more time. Guys, I hope understand. But how do I save this image? How do I save this image? Team, clear up to this, everyone? Just give me confirmations. Yes, guys. Just give me confirmations. Are you understood this one? How do we change this parameters? Cool. We change this one. Very good, Akhil. Next one. So the next part is I want to, let's make image 3 equal to cv2 dot flip. See, to build generative AI applications, you need to know these basics, guys. Because in CNN, I will teach you one practical in the class session, data argumentations. I already done the workshops on generative AI, so you can refer to that. And how do we make these images using the define, inbuilt functions, and all those things we done before. So cv2.flip, I want to flip my image. Which image? Fix underscore image2 dot, I think I need to pass a 0 here. And then plt dot I'm show and image 3. Okay. Did you see how do we flip the images or not? So everything's taken care by the inbuilt parameters. Everything take care by inbuilt parameters. All right. Just 1 second. So when you say 1, you got this 1, isn't it? When you say 2, no. Did you see how these images are flipping or not? See, I have here left hand 2 elephant, right is a big elephant. Now I change to 0. Flipping done or not? Now the same thing, let me copy the code and I apply again. I change to 1, do this. Do you notice? These 2 elephants are come to right side now. Turn to right side. Guys, did you notice the 3 graph here? 1, 2, 3. And let me copy. Let's apply 3. I hope you got the same things. Because we do a flipping part. Because, so finally we read, let's end, we read the images, but I want to save this image. How do I save? How do I save, guys? To save this image, I can use cv2 dot write, all right? And I can say new gen AI, new generative, new gen AI image dot jpg, which file? img3. Okay. And let's execute. No attribute. I am right. I'm sorry. I am right. Let's execute this one too. So go to this file and go to this main home screen and you read this. Okay, let's refresh this one. So this is the path to locations where The files are stored. And did you see, guys? I think new image is created or not? Look at this one, main screen. New Generative images.jpg. Let's double click and we save this image. So this is second practical we completed. So team, I hope understand how do we work with these images. Yes or no, team? Yes or no? Just go to this one and we learn this part. Can we go to the third practical? Can we go to the third practical? Yes, please. Now we work with image pre-processing. Can we go to the third practical? If everyone okay, then we go ahead. Let's close, and two practicals we completed. So this is image processing with OpenCV. We learned. Next one. Let's go to practical 3 and open it. Sure. Very good. I hope you enjoying. I will try to save this file as image processing and create a generative new image.ipynb file. Let me download this notebook for you. Download the code and save and HTML file. 2 file we done. Okay, next open a third file. Go to the new applications, new notebook. And in this code, I'll create a new kernel. Let's work with practical 3 and okay. Without using matplotlib, we use the code. Very simple. Without using matplotlib, we work image with OpenCV now. With OpenCV, let's execute this. So first, as you know how to read this, let's little type. And I need another 30 minutes from you guys, and then we will wind. Okay, just import CV2. Now let's read my image. Let's read my image, and I just already had the path locations. Okay, it's better. I go back to this part. Let's go up and let's copy, and here my image in this one. I think I stored my folder. Where is this? My image. Okay, my image. I changed to image.jpg. Let's try. Hey, that's wrong. It's absolutely okay. It's better. Import CV2 and my image is equals to cv2.imread. This is one my image.jpg. Guys, I want to introduce. I will share you the code. Sambit. Okay. See what exactly happened. The very beautiful part of the IM read is, I will show you one practical. Let's follow this. Let's copy, add this one, and see guys, we generative multiple images, right? In the previous code. Yes or no, guys? We generate the images are flipped. We generate the how the images are, the objects are moved towards right and how the objects are moved to left. This is called data augmentations as well. In data augmentations and implementations, Kira's library in a class session. So you need to understand that one. So assume in this folder, I have 5 images, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there is a no image called dog. Do you have dog image, guys? Elephant, horse, main screen, my images. We don't have any dog images. But the moment when you say dog.jp, can I get error or not? I should expect the error, isn't it? Answer me. Definitely I should get expected error. But the moment when you check, I didn't get any error. I didn't get any error because IAM read inbuilt functions, you never give you error. It's just if you don't have any image, okay, follow this. I can say that. One second. One second, yes. CV2.im read, it never gives you error. For example, wrong image, let's execute. You check this, guys. And when you say type of wrong image, non-type, do you see what type is given? Hey, image file directly from Google using its URL. Yes, yes, you can read. So do you see this, guys? Type of wrong image is non-type because I don't have any image in my folder, but I got output as wrong non-type. So that's what. Let's see. I read my image now. Let me execute. And type of my image is ND array. Do you see the difference of today? We talk about two things. Even though CV2 dot IM read functions never gives you the error, even you don't have any image in the folder, isn't it? That's called cv2.im read, read. Fantastic. All right, so we have cv2 and everything's we read, guys. Let's write the code again, and I'll copy this one, cut. Okay, sorry, copy and control V. Let's write this code, and I want to introduce two more things. cv2.im show, cv2.im show NIT and my image. All right. So what exactly I am show when using, did you read the doc string? Brief display an image in specified windows. Brief display in image in specify. And I can say cv2.wait key, I think W capital wait key. And here you, so what is this 4 lines of code I write in here? And if you focus this one, IM read means read the image from this given location. IM show the image. But if you read this one, this functions IM show display an image in the specified window if the window was created with, for example, the moment when you execute. So see, I think the image is created here. Did you see my file image is created or not? So this image is opened in another window, guys. Do you, but when you say NIT is given here or not, the moment when you change to NIT, you got NIT. Just go to the window, NIT, and I want to close it. When I close it, you got -1. So what I'm trying to say, it's my image, and now, okay, kernel, restart and clear all output cell. And the moment when you execute again, and I think, did you see my image is created now or not? I mean, it's changed this headings. So that's what we do by I'm show, guys. Let's close them and -1. Team, I hope understand, guys, this one. Are you working along with me? Or you can do it later. But right now, what happened whenever, so the problem of this code is whenever the new image is created in another window, so a user has to close manually. A developer or user has to close manually. And I don't want to do that. And I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. So right now, what you need to do, we need to write one while loop here. We need to write one while loop here. So how to do that? So very simple. I'm going to do the same concepts here. Just copy again. Let's copy and I paste here and just do a little while loop, while true. Okay. And whenever I am sure, whenever you read the image over here, and I can capture as the, I mean, the image pop-up is my image for the my image. And okay, just wait. If execute, let's if cv2 dot wait key. You know what is meant by wait key, guys? Till the time user not closed, the screen is pop up. That's the mean of wait key. So did you see? Shift tab. The function's wait key waits for a key event's infinity until a user don't closed it. It will remain pop up in the screen, guys. That's what it does for module to no attribute wait key. The K should be capitals either. CV2 dot wait key. That's what you need to use this one. Tab. This functions wait for this one, infinity. So for that, so right now I want to write a code. If CV2 dot wait key, all right, and I can say 1 second, and I will tell you 0x ff equal to 27. All right, then this break the loop. I can say break. Do you remember, guys? Break, continue, pass. We covered in where? In loops, guys, isn't it? For loop, we break the loop, continue the loop, and we pass the statement. So we have all those things we done. And right now, CV2 dot destroy all windows, DESTRO. Okay, destroy all windows and check what exactly destroy windows done. Shift tab. So it brief destroy all opened window. So this is what work done by CV2 dot destroy windows. That means it's brief destroys all of the high GUI windows. So what exactly mean by that? That means what we're explaining here. And could you please pardon from Eve? Okay, that's what I wanted to say. 0xff20. Okay, it's better CV2 dot wait key 1. Let's go to, do you know what GPT is very famous? Why? Let's go back to the GPT, and I can say that chat.openai.com, and here let's execute, and you type this code here. The line code typically wait key. This functions waits for a key events for us. I told you, whatever the output we created, it will wait for milliseconds. And 0xff, this is a bitwise operator. Do you know what is meant by bitwise operator, guys? And this is bitwise and operations with 0xff, which is 255 in decimal. This operation is often to extract significant 8 bits, ensure that by ASCII value remains, guys, and equal to 27. This checks if the ASCII values obtained from CV2 dot wait key 1 and escape key. So that means, see, guys, very simple. I'll go to my documentations and let me explain you. In above code, when I run the code, the images pop up in another window, and I'm a user, manually closed it. I don't want that. So that's why I write the code, this code given, if you use escape from your keyboard, the wait key will be vanished. The output, whatever we created, that would be clear. I hope understand. Got it. For that one, you go back to and execute now. I create my image now, escape. I don't closed it. Let's escape. It's gone. So to do a escape, you need to write this one line of code, guys. Team, I hope you're clear. So this is another practical, like you can say read, write. Open image, read, write, open image in another window, in another window, and rename, guys. Team, I hope understand everyone. How many of them clear, guys? Pretty amazing or not? Team, I hope you learned a lot of things today. Agree? If yes, okay. So this video, okay, good. Excellent, guys. Can we go to the last practical today? Can I download this code and give it to you again? This one as well? Cool, man. Cool. Excellent. Okay, now file and save all. File and download the code, file and HTML. So we done the 3 code now. Guys, this is all videos are streaming. So this is what the live link I given to you. So I would appreciate your comments to this link, and I would appreciate you to share so that it reach multiple people. So it's just a small app. It's your wish. It's not mandatory, but I just given. This is all the streaming going on, and YouTube streaming also is going on. So you can see the video. If you miss anything, you can follow from here as well. And I will share the code. Okay, guys, next one. Let's minimize and last practical, just I want you to stay for some time and we complete this as well. And look at this. This would be very interesting as well. And I want you to, I'll take another 15 minutes and then we wind up. Okay, guys. Next one. Let's create a new, how to play with video now. How to work with video. So we work with NumPy, we work with Matplotlib, we work with what guys? We work with OpenCV and we read images. Now we work with video. This would be the last practical. And I can say, okay, so this one, read the video. So these are unstructured data, right? Read the video using OpenCV. Done. Let's rename it. Now let's start. Import CV2 and then cap. Let's create a variable capture. CV2 dot, I think, tab video capture 0. So when you say CV2 video capture 0, it captured the, do you remember in the slide, I was talk about the 2 concepts here. And when I open it, so here we go. And the first slide, I was talk about this. So human vision, we see from eye. Computer vision, we see from camera, right? Objects can seen by camera. But today, the same code, I go to the code and I mention here, video captured 0. So when I video captured 0, that means it captured the video, I mean live video, which I'm speaking to you from the camera. So that's what I pass as 0. So let's see, I talk width equals to, so what is the, I mean, I need a width and height of the video, not. So cap dot get, okay. And CV2 dot cap, because the video, I create an object called cap underscore prop, and I need to create a frame as well. And height frame, no, this is, I need width frame. Do you have width? Okay, good. Team, you understand or not what I'm typing here? Height. So because whatever the whatever HIGHT height equal to, let's do the same code and I keep it here and I mention as height. Okay. So I create 3 variables, import CV2 library, cap we're using for variable, and video capture width we use for the width of the frame, and height, I make a height of the frame. And again, right, while loop, what is difference between for loop and while loop? For loop, we mostly apply for a data types, data structures, and while loop, we apply for a conditions. You create a ret frame. I create a, rectangle. I'm in cap dot read, and then I need to find out, let's detect the gray color images of mine and CV2 dot CV2 color. All right, guys. CV2 for conditions. That's right. CV2 dot tab. Okay, I think I done CVT color. All right. And I created a frame or not? So let's create a frame, comma, CV2 dot, what exactly I said? Color. Okay. BGR to which color we need to choose? Color underscore, color underscore. I think I would better to choose, I think better to choose BGR to gray. Do you have this one? Let's apply. All right, let's try this. But I don't want pair. Very simple for understanding. We choose CV2 dot color and BGR to gray. That's good. So let's enter now, and CV2 dot imshow, imshow or imshow. Let's create a frame. I want to create a frame. This is the gray color. Let's detect the gray color video, which you can see that. And you run the same, copy the code. In this here, I run the code or not? Did you see if? Where is that if? If block. Okay, this is what. If CV2 wait key, isn't it? This is what we done, guys. So I'm going to copy them. I'm going to copy, and here I write here break. Okay, but here I don't want to escape wait key here. I try to set Q. Q. In keyboard, you enter Q. For that, you need to enter Q here, quit. Q for quit. And then you break. And after that, CV cap dot release. Cap dot release. Because whatever the we capture the, and then I'll go ahead and write CV2 dot destroy all windows. Team, are you understand this code or not? Team, everyone understand? Very simple. And we write this code because this is video captures, read the camera. And once we read the camera, it capture, I create a variable for caps, height of the frame and width of the frame. And let's, you read the video directly. Let me execute now. And here, just wait for some time. No attribute BGR to gray frame color to BGR to gray. The camera is on. Just wait. I should get, but module CV2 has no attributes. BRG. Did I say BRG? Oh, I'm sorry. I think R is missing here. Oops, I'm sorry, guys. You haven't noticed. Let me stop and let's restart the kernel. That's the wrong here. My camera is on, but let's do color. ECR is missing. Okay. Now, yeah, we done this, guys. BGR is missing, right? Let's execute now. And hello, guys. So I hope you can find me. But here, what is the color? We got the black and white. Why, guys? Because we got here BGR to gray. That's why we found as BGR to gray color. Team, do you understand now? So that means these unstructured videos, you can find me in black and white images as well. Pretty fine. You can do that as well. And you can, so what is red frame? So you can create the two variables, I mean, for read the frame and capture. So if you see this, you can easily a little bit checked out this one. I created two variable to find out the rectangle of this one. So if you read this cap dot read ret, a Boolean, a ret means a Boolean value frame to successful read, true success, false otherwise. For binary conditions, we created this red frame. This is for actual frame. I hope you're clear now. Right, Saida? Yes, guys. But now I hope you understood. So do you see? Got it. Thank you. So, but when you see this, we have options Q, right? I don't do manually, just go to the Q. Hey, hey. Go to the queue, and I think it should work. Queue, it's gone, right? So I think it's better. What are you going to do? Let's restart the kernel, and I will, oops, kernel, restart the kernel and clear all outputs. You added queue? Yeah, I added queue here. Check this. I added queue as well. Quit. Right, guys. So let me go back and execute one more time. Queue is not defined. In the middle of code where destroy all windows. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah, that's what I got issue. File, save all. I'm sorry, guys. Let me go back and execute that. I think by mistake it was happened. Yeah, now it's open and you can find Q exit, guys. So it's a capital. I hope it's done. You can try this. It will work out. So restart. But no, you said I don't want my gray color. I need to capture just a red, green, blue. How to do that? So what do you say this, guys? I need my colored images. Very simple. The same code. I will change this copy. Let's keep it in the same code over here. And I want to change BGR to RGB. And then, okay, fantastic. Just wait. Let's check. Perfect. Do I add anything extra here? No, I didn't add anything extra here. This is, I'm not going to capture a gray color now. You can change this colored images, but let's execute. And the cam is on. Now you see this colors are changing based on different code. So how these things would be works in the back end, that's what we understand here. And if you can go to chat and change to dark, you got this one. So team, I hope understand here and how we work with these practicals so that you can build your practical for yourself. And this is one of the amazing concepts, and I want you to learn this, guys. And today we done all the practicals, and I want you to given you the code as well so that you can start work in upcoming. So this is just a basic part, and you need today you learn how to work with images, how to flip the images, and when you write the loops and generative AI. So I already done one practical in this one. If you want, I can share this a link as well. So that's it. So I think we learn all the practicals as well. Just go to the file and download, and let's change to setting, theme to light, and just save this HTML file, and we done this, guys. So one moment, I will close this. So team, I hope you like this. So what we done so far, let's sum up and end of the session. Slideshow from current slide. Lot of things we learned in this sessions, guys, from current slide. So we learned like we deals with how these images we captured and how to work with this one, and NumPy images processing this one, and human system, computer vision system, how to work with this part. And if you have any Q&A, we're gonna work, we discuss. And this is what a live streaming videos is going on with this link. I would appreciate your comments. Let's copy, and you can definitely comments. I'll go to this chart. How many of them complete the code till up to date? Anyone who complete all the four part, guys? You can, I appreciate your comments and appreciate your, okay. Thank you so much for your time, guys. Yes, four parts completed. Dharmendra, I hope you're done. How do you feel, buddy? Just 1 second. Poonam, only 70% complete. Okay. Dharmendra, unmute you. So I hope it's good, buddy. All the four parts you done.
Yes, yes.
I think we cannot hear you. Yeah, now I think you, yeah. Yes, please. Unmute you, Dharmendra. Anyone else? Poonam, how many? Poonam,
Yes, sir.
you complete all the four parts?
Yes, sir. I have completed all these
So
things.
very good. So what do you learn this one? It's good.
Sir.
You
Yes, sir.
okay? Very good. Very good. And then Poonam, unmute you. So what are the things you? Or how many session? To how much you stuck? Unmute you. Akhil. Akhil, you done? Pooja, you done all those things? Pooja, unmute you. You did all the four last part, little pending. Okay, unmute you. You learn a lot of things, guys. I've only one doubt. Yes, Shikha, please go ahead. Shikha, you completed or not? Yes. Okay, good one. Poonam, unmute you. Anybody wants to? Second one not done. Middle I stuck. No problem, Kavya. I will give it to you today. So I will share this presentations. Let me copy and any Q&A we discuss, and please comment, like, subscribe, and see those things is mentions I just hear, and as it's streaming on YouTube, so appreciate your comments and share to your friends so that they can build. So how do I share? Who second one? Okay, mute. Any questions, guys? I will share all these things to this one. Devadat, I think you need the code, right? Okay, let me copy and okay, just wait. Practical. So just go to the drive file, downloads 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's cut them up. Desktop, practical, I done it. And just go right click and WinRAR zip file. Great sessions. Thank you, Bhagavat. And I will also share to you. Just go to minimize and go here. Look at, you catch me on LinkedIn, guys. And mention, hey, I didn't get your mail, man. Can you share your email ID again? You there or you left? Devdutt Mahapatra, unmute you. Okay. Anyone else, guys? Just give me your mail IDs. So my students, you stay with me. I will update in the classroom as well. So Abhishek, Princey, I think I shared, and who else? Why? Copy and paste here to why I can't paste others as well. Awesome. A lot of learning into us. Good, Akhil. Appreciate your comments. And please comments in Irshad. I think you can find out. Dharmendra, let's copy and add them. And Debadat, let's copy and shared at gmail.com. Wait. Okay. Anyone else? Nikhil? So the one who my student, just wait. I will post in the Google Classroom. So Poonam shared again. Most helpful. Shubham good. And open. Kalyani I shared. Sambit shared to you. Wait, Satish. Satish, I'll share in the classroom as well. Don't worry. Just now, I will share it again. and Shubham. I'll share it again. And anything else, guys? Did I left anyone? Chat. See, my students don't not required. I will share in the classroom right away. Please comment in Pooja I shared. Let's copy and apply. I will share right now. Agrawal, for you not required. I will post. Okay, that's it. So rest of them, please talk to team. This is Gen AI with Gen AI with OpenCV workshops. Oops. Team, find the attached code script for your reference. Thank you, and upload it. Just 1 second. I go to the desktop and Sunday workshop. Just go here and upload. Okay, it's done. And please add Sridhar. Okay, so Sridhar, also I will share this. This 1 second. Let's copy and and copy YouTube channel. Open this. Okay, thank you guys. Let me send. So whoever requested for to find, I mean, what happened? What is that? Field was not. Please make sure that it was by 18 more. 1 second. This is wrong. So please, okay, copy and add this one. I post it here. I shared Agrawal. No problem. I'll give it to you. Just wait, my students. Just apply and share. Guys, send all the code to you. And I shared the people, whoever requested now. And can you check, are you able to download it or not? Just Shika, please. So this is what we done. And also I will post this work to one moment, just to the bookmark and 8 a.m. All the batch student also let me share. Team, please work on assigned workshops, projects, workshop, practicals, and also the one who misses, the learner who missed, please follow the below YT link. I'm going to, okay, I will share this notebook as well, right, to you guys. Just give me 5 minutes. Let me share. the end. But I get this one. Let's copy and little check it, or else it has been an issue. Can you hear me now? Yeah. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Can you please check? Did you receive it? Mail not received, sir. Mail already shared. You check, buddy. Can you please check once again? Here, this is what, let me copy once again. And 10:30 a.m. Let me post browse. Okay. Not came, surprise. Just wait. I will let me give it to you one more time. Okay. Just don't worry, guys. Don't worry. I will send you in the meantime. Let's create 7:30 p.m. I will check. I will check. Just wait for some time. Just wait, guys. Browse. See, because in my 1 second, let me attach it. Post. Subra, did you join today? So guys, I'll just explain a lot of practical in my batch, in my students. They work with torts, they work with Azure ML, we create Azure machine learning in the classes, and we deals with PySpark as well. So there's a most of the learning part in my sessions. So I mostly focus on practical rather than theory. Okay. I shared to my students now, and let me go ahead with your okay. What do you feel? I mean, what happened? Just let me open this link. This won't fix all issue. Wait, what's gonna happen with this? Oh, okay. I got it now. Why you didn't get it? Anyone don't give L allow anyone with the link to view. Okay. Editor, you can download as well. Send. I hope it comes to you now. Now you can get it. Please check. Now you can check, team. Because it's asking for one options now. I just selected. I hope you get it now. Can you have PPT as well? Shika PPT. PPT I will share in the class. Okay. So received, guys, everyone now? Cool. Got it. Okay. So I hope everyone is clear. And the 2 hours, I'm sure you learn a lot of things. I think it's going to be when we start 9, 10, 11, 2.5 hours. But thank you to the student who stay on till 2.5 hours. Very amazing sessions. Excellent, guys. So what I want from you, I would really appreciate a comment to the YouTube link which I provided. So it helps a lot of students to become. I done most code. Thank you for a fantastic sessions. Very good, Subrat. And please stay tuned for upcoming workshops. It boosts you a lot because a lot of practical you learn from here. So to build a big applications, please try to understand the smalls is important. All right. Basic is important. Without basic, you never be exposure. So you can learn plenty of things my session, and I'm going to conduct my new session is started, and you can enroll that. I mean, if anyone, you can inform your friends. You trust me, there's many students placed under me. I don't want to talk about it much, but I hope you know when you meet me in upcoming classes. I really thank you for your time, and happy weekend and happy Sunday. Yeah, so let's cool and work, and you upload your work and get in all those things. Thank you, guys. And that's it for today. Shikha, please go ahead. 1 second. I think um Shikha. No, wait. It's showing unable to access. All right. Just one moment. Chat participant. Yeah, unmute you.
Hello, so good afternoon. So,
Good
so
afternoon, please.
I just wanted to know one thing that, okay, my question was the same that as we download any of the picture from the Google, is it
Hmm.
is it by default RGB? Did you mean that so
No,
we are
actually,
converting and
yeah, it's
doing?
by default RGB, red, green, blue channel.
Oh,
You can convert the by default RGB to any other color, like gray
okay,
color, like whatever we discussed.
got it, sir. Got it, sir.
Okay,
The only
thank
question.
you.
Thank you.
Okay. So any questions, guys? Could you please post YouTube link on the chat again? I think I already posted. Just wait. I will do it again, guys. Chat and everyone. I no. This is this is what. Let's copy and paste it here. The notes and the PPT I will share you in tomorrow class. Okay. Yes, guys. I posted. Thank you. Any questions you can stay, or rest of them you can leave for them, and I too leave. So can you explain once command prompt to install CV? Yeah, very simple. In command prompt, you can open this one, all apps. You go to Anaconda, just Anaconda from command prompt. You can say pip install open CV and Python. You can done this. It will work. All right, guys. You can also do that. Wait, wait. I think, did I share this notebook to you? No. Wait. I will notepad. See, guys, you can install, you can get all these images from command prompt as well. So you can write the code and you can save it. And you can also write this in command prompt as well. So there also you can open. I forgot to tell that, but in next part I will tell. It's not a big issue. It's not a big issue, guys. So all the code, all the notebook we just prepared here, practical one, practical two, and all this part. So you're done or not? Don't say. I think someone asked a question, so let's follow that. Kalyan, it's done for you. You go to the CMD prompt and where is that? Did I close it? It seems. You can try this one. I2 got error. No, you won't get error. Check this now. Maybe you give a space here. Okay, can you try now? Pip install OpenCV Python. You try this. You don't get error for this now. It's very simple. Exit. See guys, you can also read the data frame in command CLI as well. Don't save. I'll do it. Yes, please. Guys, thank you so much. And you have a good day. And any questions, stay, or else you can leave for today, guys. I hope the session you're really enjoying. And please stay tuned for more workshops like that. Okay. Okay, team. Thank you, guys. Bye. Have a good week. Bye, guys. Thank you. Okay, I'm signing off for today. Thanks.